Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be trying one of these burger joints I haven't been to in a long time called Freddy's. So very well known for their steak burgers, kind of a smash style, and their shakes. Let me go up to the window and order here. Can't wait. Everything's kind of old-fashioned. Looks old-fashioned type of shakes and drinks. Oh yeah, can I get a number one? With cheese? Yes. The milk. Can I get chili cheese fries with that? Yes. Do you have a cherry Coke? Pepsi's fine. Yeah, let me get an order of cheese curds, and then an order of onion rings, and then a one chili cheese dog. Yep. Yes. Just the dog. That'll do it. All right, thank you. Yeah, buddy. This is going to be bussin' right here. Whew. Tight turn. So yeah, like I said, this is Freddy's. They kind of have an old classic style burger, shakes, fries. And I haven't had this in a long time, so I'm excited. I can't wait. And everything's cooked to order, so that's what I like about it too. Unlike other burger joints that kind of have everything pre-made. But let's see if they have one of those cool little paper hats you can put on too. See if it can fit on my big head. Hi. Can I add a small chocolate shake to that too? Forgot the shake. Come on now. We were talking about it.
That'll be $31.15.
All right. Freddy's. Whew. So I'm excited, guys. Thank you. It's one of those places that you haven't been to in a long time, so you don't remember how it tastes or the food. So it'll be nice to a nice little refreshing to come and enjoy it and remember it again. You know, sometimes you actually don't like stuff the first time, or and then you go back and you're like, oh my god, it depends on whoever made it, or just whatever circumstance, really. Just it can change where you really hated something and then all of a sudden you turn to really love it. So I didn't hate this place, I really liked it, but it just sounded good today. So what's everybody up to today? Kind of winding down on the weekend here, Saturday or Sunday. Had an eventful day yesterday. As you guys know, my puppy, he's 8 months, and this is the first dog we've had ever as a family. So we've had different pets, guinea pigs, fish, but this is the actual first pet that actually requires a lot more of attention. So he's been sick. The last few days he's been sick. So I thought it was, I thought it would pass. He was vomiting, in the morning, but nothing else changed of his behavior. He was jumping, running, playing, eating. And then Friday he kind of got a little more severe with the vomiting. It was not just in the morning, but it was a few times in the morning, and then anytime he ate, he would vomit. So I started getting a little more concerned, and I called the vet in the morning and tried to got him in there, and it ended up being some kind of GI infection, is what they said. But he's been normal, jumping around, playing. Nothing's really changed. Hey, thank you. Can I get a handful of ketchup, please? And I'm missing a shake, a chocolate shake.
Yeah, a shake?
Yeah, chocolate shake.
Yeah,
I ordered it.
It's getting made.
Okay. Yummy, smells good. But yeah, that was an eventful morning. I spent a couple hours there at the ER with him, and just a lot more responsibility with pets. I'm kind of glad I waited, and we waited as a family, because some people don't. Hey, thank you, appreciate it. All right, you too. Some people really don't like to, or don't have really, not the time or patience, but just, it's a lot of responsibility with the pet, right? So let me go find somewhere to park here. So yeah, it was just, it's a lot of responsibility, and gosh, you got to treat them almost like little babies. So, but I love that little guy. So, I was always one of those parents that, oh no, we get a dog, they're not laying in the bed, they're not jumping on the couch, that's nasty, this and that. Guess what I'm doing? Little buddy loves to just jump in the bed and sleep with us at night. He's on the couch. Everything I said I wouldn't do, I'm doing. But that's how it goes, isn't it? Hey, let's get into this. Look at this. This is a little baby shake. I asked for a small. I didn't expect it to be a little child size. Look at this straw, though. Let me roll my window up there. Not too shabby. Pretty good, pretty rich. Ooh, look at that. So this is the chili dog, but look, they have it on like a toasted bun. Onions, cheese. Wow, this looks yummy. This is the best chili dog I've ever seen. Wow. It looks like it's on a piece of Texas toast. Messy. Yeah, it's on Texas toast. It has you can taste the butter. It's got a nice little crunch. It's got some onions on there. That's the first time I've tried that chili cheese dog from Freddy's. To be honest, I didn't even know they had a chili cheese dog. See what else we got here in this bag of goodies. Oh, I got some cheese curds, some onion rings. Look at the baby ring. You gotta have ketchup on your onion rings. Who has to have ketchup on everything? I do. That's how you do it. If you're not putting ketchup on your onion rings, you're doing it wrong. Little design. Hot. Still pretty hot. So yeah, pets, a lot of responsibility, but you know what? I can't even picture myself, or we can't even picture ourselves without Maximo, that's his name, my baby Shih Tzu. That little dog came in and just changed everything. Changed the whole dynamics of us. Got some cheese curds. Hey, this is the first time, no cap, first time I'm ever trying cheese curds. I've never had cheese curds from anywhere. Heard of them, never had them. Okay. So it basically just looks like a fried piece of cheese. I don't know if it's mozzarella. You guys can see that. It's really good. I feel like if you like cheese sticks, if you like mozzarella sticks, you like these cheese curds. Okay. They almost look like cube little potatoes, like fried potatoes. Oh my goodness. Wow, chili cheese fry. Woo! These guys are not letting me down. Look at that. Fresh onions chopped all over those. And the style of fry, it's like a skinny fry. Get my fork. Cheesy. Mm-hmm. Not bad. Not bad. Here's my napkin. I'm going to give these hang on. Before I rate it, Six out of 10. 6 out of 10. Not bad. Let me get back into this chili dog. This right here is really surprisingly good. Has to be that toast, the Texas toast. Last bite, I'm grabbing everything, a little piece of everything. Nice sloppy bite. Ten out of 10. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is good. Now for the main event, this is the steak burger. So like I told you, it's kind of a, let me show it to you here, see if you can see it. Right. Pickles, onions, and the patty's kind of a smash. This is a double burger, but it's kind of a smash style. Let me move it here. Look at that. Mmm. This is what they're famous for right here. Mmm. Forgot to do my my thumbnail. My thumbnail game's coming along. Gotta keep working on it. Hopefully that's what got y'all to click on this video, right? Mm-hmm. Take some more of these onion rings. These are hot right out of the fryer. These curds, though, I do like them. They're a bit salty, chewy, but they're good. I don't know if all curds are like this or if people make their curds different. If you guys make curds, let me know the different ways. That would be interesting. I like to try new food and then try to make it sometimes if it's not too difficult. These are good though. I can see these while you're watching a game or something like that. But you'd have to keep them warm. These are still warm. They're really good. I'm actually liking them. The more I'm eating them, I'm liking them more. Gotta go with that Pepsi game all day long. Look at how they fry it. And smash it. It reminds me, this is how Steak and Shake with food. I don't judge, but I haven't had Steak and Shake either. I know, I've been living under a rock. Our burger's bomb. Just a little baby shake. My hand's almost bigger than it. This is good. You guys sports fans? I've been watching the hockey playoffs. Colorado Avalanche, let's go. Shoot, I remember I had one of the original jerseys when they came out with their inaugural season back in '99. Don't quote me on that. But with Patrick Waugh, Super Joe, Peter Forsberg, if you know, you know. The real ones, the real hockey fans will know. But man, I'm excited. I've been watching them now through the season and getting past the playoffs, in the playoffs now, and at the Western Conference Championship. Come on, finals, come on. These fries are like, just like I was telling you guys when I was waiting in the line, in the drive-thru line. Sometimes you try something, you're like, it's okay. These are actually getting better. A lot of chili fries I've had before are with bigger fries. These are like super skinny fries. But the flavor is there. And they're not as salty. Onion rings. So yeah, I'm very happy, excited. My Avalanche are back in the Western Conference playoffs, in which they haven't been in 20 years. It's awesome. This one almost didn't make the cut. Look at that. The little butt of the onion. Onion rings are really good. So yeah, watching hockey and running my puppy to the ER. Last one. These are really good. Onion rings, surprisingly, probably the best ones I've had. You know who else has really good onion rings that I think a lot of people sleep on? Denny's. Yes, you heard me, Denny's. And it's not just going to Denny's at 2 a.m. after the bars. You go to Denny's anytime, they make really good onion rings. These are really good. Very flavorful, flaky, fresh. Not too sweet. This is just like a home style, a good old home cooked burger right at home on the little frying pan. No, mama's in there flipping it. It has that flavor, that feel. Can't get over the snack size shake. Nothing like washing a burger down with a shake. No. Overall, this place, I definitely recommend if you got a Freddy's. Definitely check them out. They got a great menu selection. Hot dogs, chicken wings, chicken sandwiches, not hot wings, chicken tenders, chicken sandwiches, chili dogs, and obviously their famous steak smash burgers. So, well, that was great, guys. I really enjoyed it, surprisingly. So I hope you guys like this video. That's gonna do it for today. I appreciate all the new subs, guys, man. You guys are the one. You're making the difference. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like button. That helps the channel grow. And leave some comments. I mean, let me know on the cheese curds. You know, what do you guys recommend, or how do you cook your cheese curds, or where do you feel is a favorite cheese curd place? Let me know. I'm open for options here. But I love bringing this content to you guys, and I appreciate you guys watching. And we'll see you next time.